Hey, hey everybody.
So here's Wes from Transcend Existence. We are cutting out the transition right now.
Temporary transition.
Temporary, yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So I'm heading to Home Depot because I was running late and I was supposed to do this stuff before, but now I'm going to run Home Depot. We're going to get some tubular steel. Believe it or not, we're out of tubular steel. That big lot that we bought with Jim is completely gone now. But we're going to be putting a frame in there. We're still trying to figure out which window we're going to put in there. This is the first project of while Wes is in town, and yeah, so he's going to finish cutting this out. Then we're going to put new sheet metal. Probably use the roof. You can see all that scrap metal out there. A lot of that is from the roof, so we're going to recycle that. Use that for the transition. Figure out which window we're going to be putting in here. Just kind of go from there. And after this, we're going to decide if we want to try and tackle the solar mounts, which probably will be next because we have the solar panels.
I'd say so, yeah.
And then from there, decide if we want to work on the roof rack or get the frame for the underbay storage because we have until next Sunday.
Yep.
So we have 6 days.
6 days.
To get after it.
Yep.
So, without further ado, I'm going to set this camera up there. You're going to see Wes cutting this from the outside. He's going to be filming right here, so you'll be able to see two different versions of this. Wes is going to be recording, I'll be recording on the Facebook Live, so you can see our progress. You ready to get some work done on the bus?
I am, man.
All right.
Let's get rolling.
Let's do it.
Alright everybody, Wes here. Hey, I got the transition cut out of here, as you can see. The temporary transition, actually. There he is laying on the floor. I'm going to reset this camera and set it up here. Yeah, we're in Arizona, guys. Flew out yesterday afternoon and got here last night. And yeah, just helping them get some stuff done on this thing. So when you're not working in your shop and Chris is gone, you just improvise. Find whatever tools you can find. Just let me go in a ball of flame. 1 million lives that spell out. My name, Lord, I'm so can't wait for this day to be over. Lord, I'm so can't wait for this day to be done. Cold, hungry, sober, can't wait for this day to be over. Cold, hungry, sober.
Alright, so since my Harbor Freight grinder is no longer working, we only have one, we need to grind off the fiberglass from the outside up here. What we're going to do now is actually transfer over to mounting the solar panels. I got 6 solar panels from Easy RV, 170 watts a piece. So up top we're going to have a total of 1,020 watts, 6 panels, going to create a little walkway in the middle. Right now, since we only have one grinder, Wes and I are going to do jobs that it takes both of us essentially. So we're going to start figuring out how we're going to mount that, and the reason why we're trying to figure out the solar panels right now is instead of just drilling into the H channel and hoping that the Torx bit stays, we're actually going to drill through the roof and get a nut and bolt and be able to just bolt that on there, bolt those supports on there, and then spray over the top of that with the foam. That way it'll be a complete seal up there in the roof. So we're going to transfer you over to the the tripod, and you're going to be on top of the RV shooting sideways to the bus. You'll see us up there doing this.
it.